Did you know you can mix together FlipNAwesome paints from CrystaLac to get new colors? Today, we're going to make a purple to complement our neons. I'm going to start with the neon pink. Now, I'm not measuring out the paints this time. I'm just mixing up what I need for my project. But I probably have about a teaspoon of pink in my little cup. Now I'm going to add totally teal, and I'm starting with probably half a teaspoon. So add about half of whatever you added for the pink. Mix it up well to check your color. You can always add more as you go. It'll take a little bit to incorporate the two colors together. Make sure you scrape the sides and the bottoms to get everything mixed well. Look how pretty this purple is. It is still a bit on the pinky side, but I also want it darker for my project, so I'm going to add a little bit of midnight blue and then eventually a couple drops of universal black. But you can just keep adding more teal. Just play around with it until you get the color that you want. When you are using the paints and not the pigments, you don't need to worry about the ratio because the paints already have the bonding agents needed in them. You don't need to counterbalance it with bright tone or anything like that. And here is my final color. It's going to have a bit of a fluorescent sheen to it because of the pink that we used, and it will be slightly blacklight reactive. It matches well with the colors from the neon collection. I will be showing you how I'm going to use this purple in a sunset beach tumbler shortly.